Welcome to ST Garden Ideas. Use hanging pots or wall planters on wooden pallet or metals from create herbs or decorative plants. Kitchen gardens grow mint, coriander, green chilies, tomatoes, or even celery and chilies grow in very simple pots for buckets and broken mugs. We grow strawberries in small pots and buckets. Cucumbers growing unique ideas for summer seasons. We use containers for small spaces growing different vegetables and fruits. We use containers for gardening, mud container, plastic containers, old plastic buckets, broken mug. Corianders, vegetable gardens, tomatoes, chilies, brinjal, Spanish are very simple growing in small pots and small spaces for gardening ideas. How to arrange pots, balcony, rooftop, veranda ideas. Vertical garden tips, tires, stands, walls, planters. Container vegetables garden ideas, tomatoes, chilies, brinjal, Spanish, mint. Flower plants growing ideas best for containers. Basket old baskets don't use for other work. We use for gardening ideas. Chilies growing ideas for best plant. We use old jars and plastic bottles for gardening. We use small plastic baskets in small holes because it is the best for gardening. We grow mint in our houses. Would you like to script voiceovers, ideas, thumbnails, suggestions for any these videos ideas? I can help you build a full videos plan too. Thanks for watching this video.